how to change streaming quality on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit or change the streaming quality on Deezer. So first thing we do, we go to Deezer app, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now you go to the top corner here and click on this icon, and now you go to preferences and then choose audio, the second option here, and you will find streaming quality, and you can change it from here to basic or standard, and also here on Wi-Fi. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you.